Guys, this is Mugen Eisen here, doing a video on Darkness Rise, and this to give you guys an idea how to get free S++ gears. Is they got two trophy shop, which is number 8. You get this. See, it's an S++ gear. You could only obtain that one time unless you reset the trophy shop. You could get it again. So, and another way to get it is number 10. Is monthly, so you get it every month. So yeah, number 8, you need about the first stage 22-1. You need about 3,800,000 to complete that, and you get the coins for you to get the shop and to obtain the item. So yeah, that's number 8. Number 10 is the Dwarven, require like 14,520,000. A lot of power, but you get it every month. See, that's a good side about it, but you need a lot of power. That's the downside. So if you are new to the game and you try to get S++, it's going to be difficult, but unless you got S+ gear on your character, you have no problem getting the trophy shot number 8 unlocked. So you get complete. This other stage, yeah, 3,800,000. So yeah, use your adventure, save your adventure tickets, and you can use it to clear the tickets for the stage. So you can rack all the points, and you get yourself S+ gear from here. So that's the first step. But yeah, that's like the only way to get S++ gear for free. And you can see my guild right now. I'm not in a guild. This is my old guild, but I would think about doing somebody else's guild because I could, see the guild rate. But if any of you guys have any guild out there that could join, let me know. And looking for active guild, so I could join the guild rate with everyone out there. Thank you so much for watching.